I made $1,000 in 24 hours with this trick. I made $1,000 in 24 hours. And no, it wasn't luck, gambling, or anything shady. It was one simple strategy that almost anyone can try, and I'm breaking it down step by step. So here's exactly what I did. First, I didn't create a product. I didn't build a website. I didn't even spend money. Instead, I focused on something way easier, selling a service people already need. Step 1, I went where attention already exists. I searched platforms like social media and local marketplaces for people asking for help, things like video editing, social media posts, logo design, and simple website fixes. Step 2, I picked one service I could deliver fast. In my case, it was short-form video editing. Why? Because content creators are posting daily and need quick turnaround. Step 3, I created a simple offer. No fancy branding, just a clear message. I'll edit your TikTok or Reels videos within 24 hours. Then I started reaching out. Not spammy, just direct and helpful. I'd message small creators and say, "Hey, I noticed your content is great. I can help you make it more engaging with fast edits. Want a free sample?" That free sample was the key. Within a few hours, I had replies. Some people ignored me, of course, but a few said yes. I edited 2-3 short videos as samples, made them clean, engaging, and added captions. And that's when things clicked. Those same people came back asking, "How much for more?" Now I had leverage. I priced my service simply. $50 for one video or $200 for a bundle. By the end of the day, I had multiple small deals instead of chasing one big one. That's important. Don't wait for one person to pay you $1,000. Stack smaller wins. I kept it fast, simple, and focused on results. No overthinking, no perfection, just delivering value quickly. By hour 24, I had crossed $1,000. Now let me be real with you. This wasn't easy. I had to send messages, do the work, and stay consistent all day. But it was simple, and that's the difference. Here's why this works. People don't pay for ideas, they pay for solutions. And speed is everything. If you can solve a problem quickly, people will pay you faster. You can do this with almost any skill. Biopic writing captions, biopic designing thumbnails, pike editing videos. Help Quicket managing social media, Ubiquit even basic research tasks. The trick isn't the skill, it's how you package and offer it. So if you're trying to make money fast, stop overcomplicating it. Pick a simple service, find people who need it, offer value up front, and move fast. That's it. No secrets, no hacks, just execution. Would you try this?